let's learn a Python program, that is write a definition of a function named twice that receives an integer argument and returns an integer that is twice the value of the parameter. So given a function that is named as twice, so given an argument that is an integer argument, so you have to return the integer that is twice the value of a given argument. So that is a problem statement. So that means you have to multiply the integer value by 2 and then you have to return that. So let's try to solve this. So let me define a function that is named as twice and provide the input argument that is a number. So this is the integer type. So yeah, so we have to, so once we define a function, so we have to return the integer that is twice the value of the parameter. So let me return. So I'll be using the return statement directly and I'll be using the number, so that is the input argument, and multiply it by 2. Yeah, so this is the Python function to return the twice the value of a parameter. So once we define a function, so let's take a variable that is let's say num, or let's only take n. So n equals to, so let's ask a user to enter the value of integer. So let me use input function, and here, so let's say enter a number. So this is in the main function, we are accepting a number and trying to call the function that we have already defined. So I'll be converting this to an integer because return type of input is string. So string to integer we are converting and storing it into the, that is a variable n. So now let me take result a variable and let's call the function that is twice by passing the, that is user entered value, that is n. So once we call the function, so we get a return value that is twice the number and we have to print it. So let's use a print function call, and here, so let's say the twice value of a parameter is, so let's give, let me copy the same over here. Twice the value of a parameter is, let's give colon, and let's print the result over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python function or the Python code to actually define a function and call the function in the main program. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. So you can see enter a number, so let's give 12, and you can see twice the value of a parameter is 24, that is 12 multiplied by 2 is 24, it has printed. Now let's give some other number, so let's give 1 2 3 4, and you can see twice the value of the parameter 1 2 3 4 is 2 4 6 8. Yeah, so this is the complete Python function that is named as twice, that receives an integer argument and returns the twice of the value of the parameter. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.